The transmission sends power from the engine to the prop and lets you shift into forward and reverse. This video will focus on the two most common engine configurations, a stern drive and an outboard. These are both lower unit type transmissions, where a shaft from the engine goes into gears and a shift mechanism that's outside the boat, which means water can get in. All the more importance to replace this fluid regularly, especially at the end of the season if you live somewhere that gets below freezing. Water in the gear case could freeze and crack your lower unit, causing thousands of dollars of damage. Check the link at the end of this video for even more ways to protect your lower unit. The most common shift mechanism is a dog clutch. The dog clutch rides on the prop shaft, so when you shift your throttle into forward, it locks with either the forward or reverse gear, locking the prop shaft to one of those gears, turning the propeller. When you're shifting into gear with a dog clutch, you want to shift into gear hard. You don't want to shift slowly because then this dog clutch will grind on the gear teeth and then wreck your gear case. Some larger stern drives have a cone clutch in their upper unit. This Bravo 3 has a cone clutch and has very smooth shifts, almost like an automotive clutch. Now, a stern drive is really similar to an outboard where the drain plug is down at the bottom. On an outboard, the vent plug is up near the center of the drive, but on a stern drive, the vent plug is way at the top. Stern drives also have a gear lube reservoir on the engine, so make sure that's always topped off. Even on this 2.5 horsepower Mercury, we go down to the lower unit, we have our drain plug and our vent plug.